Hello all, Alex here with Tech Corner, here to walk you through how to get the sum and the average of a list of numbers within Excel. So let's go ahead and dive in. So here I have Excel pulled up. So in our first column we're going to go ahead and do the sum, get the actual total of these set of numbers. So we're going to hit equals, we're going to type in sum, open parentheses, we're going to select our list of numbers, close parentheses, and hit enter, and it's 427. Now let's go ahead and get the average of our second column here. So we're going to hit equals, we're going to average. Once you see the formula, you can just go ahead and click it. We're going to select our list of numbers again, close parentheses, hit enter, and there we go. Now if you want to clean this number up so you don't have .44444, what you can do is you can go up here under general and you can just backspace your decimals. So you can just have 1 if you want. Just keep it clean. And that is how you can go about getting the sum and the average of a list of numbers within Excel. If you enjoyed this tip, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel and more Excel tips and tricks, feel free to subscribe. It's totally free, and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.